This is question 6 on the November 2010 Mod 5 Higher Paper 1. We've got a wire is in the shape of a semicircle of diameter 40 centimetres. Well, a semicircle is half of a circle. It's fairly obvious. And the distance around a whole circle is pi times the diameter. So the distance around half a circle is pi times the diameter divided by 2. So the length of this curved line here must be pi times the diameter divided by 2. Now we're told in this question for pi we should use 3.14. So I've got 3.14 times by my diameter, which it tells me up here is 40, and divided by 2. That will give me the length of this curved line. And I can work that out in a minute, because it tells me that that length, that wire, is then bent around from, instead of being a semicircle, to be a square. And I've got to find the length of the side of the square. So I've got to do this sum. And if I times something by 40 and then divide that by 2, that's the same as just timesing it by 20. So I've got to do 3.14 times by 20. And if I do 3.14 times by 2 and double it, that'll give me 6.28. So I've still got to times that by 10. If I times that by 10, I will get 62.8. And that'll be in centimetres, and that's the length of the wire. So for the square here, I've got these four sides together make 62.8. So each side will be 62.8 divided by 4. And the classic way of doing that division is laying it out like this: 62.8 divided by 4. 4 goes into 6 once, with a remainder of 2. 4 goes into 22 5 times, with a remainder of 2. 4 goes into 28 7 times. There's a point here, I need to put a point in there. So the answer in this question, x will be 15.7 centimetres.